improve your career and everything, Nikita.
Thank you. Thank you.
Right. So now let me share something with you.
Okay.
Do you see the screen?
Yes.
All right. So this is the official welcome for you
Thank you so much.
to this course, and the intro video is all about how we are going to take it forward and what is that you are learning.
Okay.
And what is that is required for you to be a winner. All right.
Okay. Wait.
Now, if I ask you, who are you? What is that you are going to reply, Nikita?
Who are you? I'm a person who is confident enough to make something happen in life, and I'm a kind-hearted person. Is what I would say. That's all about me.
No, you are a highly paid recruiter.
Okay. Yes. Okay.
You are a highly paid recruiter because that is the reason you are spending your time, effort, energy, and everything because you wanted to come to this industry. So, do you want to come to this industry like a small baby? Not at all.
No.
Right? You wanted to get everything possible so that you would be able to compete with the people who are already existing in this industry. Correct?
Exactly.
So, now
Yes.
to have it, you need to change your own perception and you need to look at yourself that yes, you are worthy enough. Okay.
Exactly. Yeah.
And what fails people, what fails most of the people is the way they look at themselves. They have their own perception that what someone may think of me, what is that going to happen to me? I may fail. All right, I am failure. So here failure is what a tag that we give to somebody else without understanding that the effort has failed, not that as a person.
Okay.
Like you never failed as a person, but the way you did it, that might have failed it. So we have to have a different perception. We need to have a different thought process when we go to a new journey. All right.
Yes.
So now onwards, if someone is asking you, who are you? What would be your answer?
I'm a highly paid recruiter.
You are a highly paid recruiter because there is no way that you will get less paid because you are going to learn everything that is required for a recruiter to do the job and get the money. Okay. And as I told you,
yes,
it's all about perception.
Yes,
And
exactly.
if you know, your perception creates your reality. If you perceive yourself that you are not worthy enough, if you think of yourself that, see, I have worked in so many industries, now I'm into content writing, now I'm learning new things, there are so many senior people are there, and I'm at 35, 34, whatever it is, see, I'm going to work with these junior people, see what kind of perception that you're building for yourself.
Yes.
And most of the perception are not true, those are false. The assumptions are false. As I told you, right, if you might have, if you think back, there are more than 80% of your fear and assumptions are never become reality.
Absolutely right. Yes, I have seen that. Yeah.
So why don't we go from positive to negative rather than finding and focusing on ourselves that what we are capable of? Just imagine you have a track record of winning 100% obstacles in your life. Can you tell me one such situation that was painful and you did not come out of it?
It's very personal, and I happen to come out of it, definitely. But yeah, I think there were all the situations when I could come out of it.
Most of it we come out of it, right? We may fear that something is going to happen. If I come back to India, if I lose the job, if I do not do this, this is going to happen, that is going to happen. Some health issues come in, that is what you are, and you are winning like a hero with your health issues. What else? What is the bigger example that you want?
Yes, that's true. That's true.
You are like the backbone to your house and to your spouse as well.
Yes.
Right. So just imagine what kind of energy, what kind of power that you have with you. So that is
Yep.
what our perception is, because we always look at other people and we try to come down. We try to minimize our self-existence here.
Yeah.
And for your knowledge, why I'm giving you a broader picture to expand your thought process.
Okay.
Okay. For example, you have to go to, if you have to, okay, for example, if you have in a room full, there is a lot of money, okay, and I'll ask you to go and grab some money. How much would you grab?
As much as I can, possibly in my capacity, not more than that. I would have to ask for more people to help me. Alone, I can't do it for sure.
So you couldn't damn grab like this and bring money?
It falls. Yeah, but yeah, yes, in all the possible way, I would have some equipment with me where I can stuff the things and I can go for sure. Yeah.
There you go. So that is what. So there is a plenty of opportunities. There is a lot of power within us. And this is just a matter of time that you understand what is the self-worth. And just imagine, people are thinking of taking people to the Mars, right? So do you think that is very small problem compared to what you are thinking of to become a recruiter, Nikita?
No, not at all. I mean, me
You
becoming a
see, right?
recruiter, yes, it's
Someone
quite
is
easy.
thinking impossible and they're working towards that. And we are stuck at small places that, hey, I'm not able to do this thing.
Yeah.
My electricity has gone and I don't know what things are happening with me. Only it is happening with me only. Okay. So,
Yes.
so whom do you refer then? If things do not happen to you, then whom do you want to refer this?
God, I would mostly put it, blame to that. Oh my God,
Yeah,
why is it all happening to me? Yeah.
exactly. Then if he wants, okay, who do you want to choose then to give all this? Will you choose somebody else?
No.
Then it is you who has been chosen already.
Yes, exactly. I was actually reading your book, and trust me, when I was reading your book, I was so inspired. I mean, I was so scared until now because I was thinking, oh my God, first of all, I have no idea, how do I come over this whole fact, that I'm calling people who are really busy, and, I should only talk point to point, and just hang up. But that is the difference, that you have created in your expertise, that you really need to talk to them, understand them. Because I was working with my cousin. Of course, my cousin is doing great and all that. I don't want to even talk bad about him because he showed me a path for recruitment. So which means that he's really helped me in a way, where he's shown me a direction about, something I can do. So when I saw, that they were doing this, literally they would talk for maximum 5 to 6 minutes, grab all the information about the person, as you mentioned, take their important details and then just hang up. And there's no follow up, nothing as such. Even if it is there, it is like, a matter of urgency, and then that's it. They just hang up. There's no personal relationship building, nothing going on. So that made me feel, oh my God, excuse me, if the other person is not talking to you much, then how is it going to happen? Ben sales a recruiter is sending me, some resume, thinking that I will, help him.
Yeah.
Of course, and I have given that resume to my cousin. My cousin said, tell him we submitted. I'm like, but you're not submitting. He's like, no, we can't submit all the resumes. I said, but then, the Spencer's recruiter will again ask me, what do I tell him? He's like, tell him that we have submitted and it did not get shortlisted. So, I was thinking that this is all cheating. I
Yeah.
can't be in a game where I'm, like a place where I'm cheating everyone. I am a person who's kind enough, who really want to do justice to everyone around me, at the same time, me as well. So how do I really fit into this recruitment thing is what I was thinking when I was with them. But when I was reading your book, I understood that I can be a very dignified person who is actually giving life to so many people, by giving them a chance, to enter into some industry and, into a job. At the same time, I can have a long-term relationship with them. Even
Mhm.
after 24 months or 6 months or 8 months, if they want to change a job, they would come back to me only because they would understand that this girl, or this recruiter would actually help me get a better place. So I don't have a one time submission, but I actually would have that person coming to me again and again. So
Absolutely.
yes, your book is amazing. I
Thank you.
am yet to finish it, but because actually I'm making notes. So many things to know. Technology wise, you have mentioned everything so beautifully that I
Yeah.
mean, any layman can also understand that. So yes, it's beautiful. Thank you so much.
Exactly. So you have a pen and paper handy now.
Yup.
You did
Then
not.
yes, I got it. Yes,
Okay, so you have to keep noting things, whatever you find that is going to be useful or something like, oh wow, this is something
yes,
new. All right. So this is the
absolutely.
moment that you should be focusing on. And as you said during the calls, it is not about how long you have spoken to somebody else,
Huh.
not how long what you have spoken to somebody else.
Okay.
It is not about whether you have given them an interview or a placement.
Hmm.
Neither you have given any feedback or not.
Hmm.
It is all about how you make a person feel.
Yeah.
People do not remember if you have not given them an update, you have given them, if you have not given them any placement, but they remember you how you make them feel.
Huh.
And
Correct.
use that in your personal life as well.
Okay. I got it.
If you want to be remembered forever, focus
Hmm.
on before you hang up the call, how did you
Hmm.
make the person feel? Because we
Okay.
are emotional beings,
Yes.
right? So you need
Yeah.
to catch that psychology and you
Hmm.
need to really work on, okay, what is that I'm going to talk? If I hang up, this person should be remembered. Maybe this call needs to be remembered. That should be
Yes.
your primary focus. Understood?
Exactly. Yeah.
So anywhere you go to the interview, whether you select or not, that's a different story. But okay, how that conversation went and how you make that other person feel good.
Hmm.
If you make the person feel bad, they remember
Hmm.
you.
Yeah.
If you make them feel good, they do remember you. Now it is up to you now how you're
Yeah.
handling calls
Exactly.
and how the person is going to perceive you while talking to you. That is another thing you need to be focusing on. What is your
Okay.
perceived value when
Hmm.
people are talking to you? Are you an authority? Are you an expert? Are you a
Hmm.
dumb? Are you a lazy? It's everything is
Hmm.
depends upon you. So now
Hmm. Yeah.
you have to perceive yourself. You need to have a self-image. What kind of self-image that you carry with you?
Hmm. Okay.
Self-image.
True.
Do you know what is self-image?
Yes.
What is self-image?
Self-image is a personality that you carry when you're around everyone. I mean, for example, if a person is just, I will give you an example of recently we happen to have our cousin. He, the moment he's coming, I'm like, oh my God, he's going to take our time, man. We'll talk for hours. Let's just run away, So that's the kind of a thing that we have, like a fear. He's an amazing person, everything, but that one habit, is something which scared us so badly. So it's an image of him that we have built in our
No,
mind.
that he doesn't know that, right?
Yeah, okay.
So you
Self-image
would
is
have
a
told him, you are scaring the shit out of me, man, the moment you enter home. You should have told that. You did not do that. Now, that's a different story altogether. Now, when we are talking about self-image of yourself,
huh.
your self-image is your perceived value of who you are and
Okay.
your self-belief on how others think of you.
Okay. Okay.
That is
Fine.
self-image.
Mm-hmm.
And
Okay.
from that point of view, your
Huh.
behavior changes, your self-esteem and your self-confidence is related in your self-image.
Okay. Yes.
If you say, I'm not good enough, just imagine, are you able to talk in front of 20 people?
No, no, no way.
If you think, I have been to so many places, I visited abroad, I have spoken with big people, I have been working with multi-million dollars companies, and I have excellent communication skills, and I have a very good family, and I have invested on myself. I have a very educated person.
Yeah.
I can do anything else. Now, can you talk in front of 20 people?
Yes, absolutely. Yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
This is what you should be focusing on.
Okay.
It is all about what is our self-image. Because once our self-image is set right,
yeah,
you will be able to see your self-esteem is going high. Then you will see your self-confidence, meaning you could able to do things better.
Yes. Okay.
All right.
Yeah.
Now, from your self-confidence, your self-confidence comes in once you understand, if you could able to see the things differently, because you hold together, you are a different person from your self-image point of view. Understand?
Exactly. Yes.
It is just a matter of time when you come to a situation and you find your self-efficacy.
Okay.
Right? Meaning, yes, this thing, self-efficacy is nothing to do with self-image. Like, you are good at something else, but still you feel bad about yourself. Like, you're very good at writing content, but you still you don't like yourself. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So the moment you increase your self-image and when the self-efficacy added, you see, this is a deadly combination.
Okay.
Now, most of the time, what happens, we have a self-body image. Meaning, I look like this, I'm short, I'm tall, I'm black, I'm white, I'm fat, I'm thin. That is what one of the assumption that we have, which has a higher number of contribution to our lower self-image.
Correct.
You got
Okay.
to understand, you have never asked about your body color and anything else. It is just given to you.
Exactly.
And to make others feel good, to become successful, it is all your efforts required, but it is not you as a person or something else, right? You mean you are not your hand, you are not your leg. You are whole together as you are.
Yes.
But the moment you accept it, just imagine that only from morning 6 o'clock till you go to sleep, that you are waking up. What is happening when after go to sleep and in midnight and before you wake up? You have no damn idea.
True.
How you fall asleep and how you are dreaming, how you are going to a dreamland where you lose all your consciousness. Again, you come back. Again, you start cursing about yourself whole day. Just imagine that particular thing is your friend. Don't you think that could have killed you while you are in sleep?
Yes, exactly. Yeah.
Morning you curse me, again you sleep with me. And instead of feeling good about myself, again you wake up and you start. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So only you are the friend of yourself. If you do not give yourself respect, if you do not love yourself, how do you think other people are going to do that?
Yeah, that is very true. I understand that. Yeah.
We expect other to respect. We expect other to give us good opinion. We expect everyone to love us.
Yeah.
So when you do that for yourself, then by default, you get that thing for you.
Correct. I got it.
You get my point? Because this body is a vibrating body, this is.
Yeah.
It carries a vibration and energy. And once you feel good about yourself, you attract good for yourself.
Okay.
That is the first thing you need to remember. Each moment before you start shouting at yourself, before you start worrying about yourself, oh my God, if my health would have good, if I wouldn't have any health issues, I would have a good baby. Right? That might be thinking. Why
Yes.
do you think you have such a good family? You are walking now. There are so many people are just lying on the bed.
Yeah,
And you
true.
have a good doctor and you are getting treatment. You have damn money. It's just a matter of time. That's it.
Yeah, that's right, actually. Correct.
Right? So just think, if the problems don't come to body, then do you think the trees, the cars, the buses will have that kind of issues if human beings don't have?
No.
That's a humanly problem, right?
Yes.
Do you think you are the only one going through that problem?
No, I'm sure there are more people worse, like living in worse conditions, and they are having so
Exactly.
many problems.
So many problems. Okay, that is one of the things with you. Now that is your body problem, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now,
Yes.
what have you done to console your body, Nikita, so far? I understand you. You are with me so far. You are with me since last 34 years. I understand you are going through pain.
Mm.
Let me love you. Did you tell yourself ever? No.
No, not exactly. Yeah, but I just
Who
told
do you
myself
think?
that
Who do you think is gonna care about your body?
it's just me. Yes.
Exactly. When is that you're going to realize? That is with you. Your
Yes.
small baby. Even your small cell in your mother's womb. That made you to fight with 200 million cells and enter the egg. Now that being fertilized and you are become such a beautiful human being, which was not possible at all if that one instance wouldn't have entered the egg.
Correct. Yes, I agree.
You should be grateful for that.
I am. Yes,
Are you getting my point?
Yes, absolutely.
If that thing didn't have happened there, forget about you, me are talking here in the Zoom call. You never experienced the beauty in this world.
Yes.
There are so many things are there to enjoy. Only one thing is that is going to happen through your body. The pain you are experiencing, the happiness you are experiencing, the joy, the love, the warmth, the cold, everything you experience through your body only.
Exactly.
Now you have to give a proper care and attention to yourself.
Yeah.
Just imagine how painfully it is going on. What kind of struggle it is happening within itself.
Yeah.
And you all the time you're thinking, oh my God, when this is going to go over? Oh my God, I'm having pain. Oh my God, why me? Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God.
Yeah.
It is expecting you to help it.
Okay, yeah, that's right. True.
So you have to sit down. You need to sit down and you need to respect yourself. Oh, wow, how beautiful I am. I have hand, it's moving.
Yeah. And
I have a beautiful organs. Okay, there might be a problem. I understand, but I'm there to support you, my body. Come on, recover. You had a healthy body, you have healthy cells. Cells die and rebirth all the time. I understand. Now, you as a body needs to pick up the energy and kill all the bad cells. I'm with you. I understand you're going through the pain. Support yourself. When you support yourself, you see the others are supporting you.
Yeah, right. I get that now.
Do you understand?
Yes, self-pity, I don't think it's great. As long as you don't help yourself, it's just wasted. So I agree on that.
Why to pity? You should not. Still, you need to give your energy. It's okay, there is a pain, but still, you're doing good. You're talking to people.
Yeah.
You have good relationship.
Now
you're giving inside orders to your body that yes, now you're recovering. Now you're recovering.
Yes.
All right.
Yeah.
As we told, right? As we discussed on that day, that you wanted to have a good time in New Zealand.
Yes.
So now you want to take your healthy body there when that happens, right?
Yes, absolutely
now you
right.
tell your body that, hey, I want you to go with me to New Zealand. Now you are recovering. You're recovering. You tell yourself, when you said yourself that, Nikita, you are sick, you had a self-pity, you felt it, right?
Yeah.
Now tell that, Nikita, you are damn healthy. It's the matter of time and my body is recovering. Tell that. Tell that 100 times.
Yes, I will, yeah.
Write it down on a paper. Nikita, I'm healthy. Forget about Nikita. You have to give yourself a life. I'm healthy. I'm feeling great. All my painful energy and experience has been vanished. I'm enjoying my life. Note it down 5 things. Note down 5 things and write it down 100 times every day before you go to sleep. And just see within a month's time what is that happening to your body.
Wow, okay.
You are giving all negative, or you are giving all low level instructions to your body.
Exactly. This I understand.
Now you need to change from low level instruction to higher level instructions.
Yes.
Always focus on what you want. Do not focus on what you do not want.
Okay.
But as a human tendency, what we do? We focus on what we don't have. I don't have a good health. I don't have money. I don't have job. And we spend a lot of time in there.
Exactly. Yeah.
What if I want good health, I want good job, and I want money? Right? When you say I want, then there is a different level of thought process opens up.
Yes.
When you say you don't have money, then again a next problem will come up. Okay, next week I have a wedding anniversary from where I'm going to get money.
Yeah, right.
Right?
Correct. Yes.
Then again it will go back. Oh, no one going to give you money because you have already taken money from everyone else. Oh my God, how I'm going to repay? Then again you go back to your job. This is not paying me much. Now you will have to eat a paracetamol and you have to sleep.
Yeah.
So do not give any such instructions to your mind that is harmful to yourself.
Okay.
Google about your health issues anymore.
Oh yes, thank God. I honestly did that the first time I had come back from home from the hospital. But then I decided, because they were so scary, and then I decided that no, everyone has, I think, different issues, but I think I'm really recovering well and I don't have to think about it. So yes, I kind of followed that, and I did not even take rest for 4 days, and I'm like, I think I have to get back to normal. Though there's pain, I think I'll just stand up because it will subside anyway. So yeah, I was a little positive, but then I used to work out and all, before, which I can't do right now, which I can now finally after, month and a half, month of surgery. So now I can. So I'm just a little scared, will I be able to do it like before? So as you said that, I don't have to be so doubtful, because if I doubt, then I don't think I'll be able to do what I actually can do.
One moment, Nikita, right?
Yeah.
Let me see if someone is on the door.
Okay.
Okay. I think my wife woke up now. So here, okay, we were talking about what? Not Google, right?
We were talking about
Google. You should not look things in the Google.
Yes. How can I retain this memory thing back? I'm becoming so forgetful.
See what instruction you have given to yourself right now?
Yeah, right.
What instruction you have given to yourself?
That I'm forgetful.
See, now what is that your brain says? Okay, Nikita wants to forget. Boom.
Yes, that's happening. Yes.
You say, I remember and recollect everything easily.
Yeah, correct.
Then your brain says, okay, Nikita remembers everything and recollects everything to you.
Yeah, right.
When you say you cannot, you have a little bit of self-pity that you are not able to work out as before. You might have gained weight, or you might have out of shape, or you might have looking at your old clothes, right?
Yes, absolutely, yes.
So now get rid of that old clothes, whatever you have. Keep it somewhere.
Okay.
Keep it somewhere. Give yourself a time. It had with you since long time, right? It had given you all the experience. Now your body is going through some kind of transition.
Yes.
Help it to recover.
Okay.
Don't look yourself from which like a kind of eye view, which will make you a little bit shy or lower self-image.
Yes.
You are as a whole, you're perfect. Simple as that. Now get rid of all small things, whatever you had, keep that in a box. And when you are saying that you cannot able to do workout, all right. Now you had a perception now that Workout meaning going to the gym along with your husband and lifting, the weights.
Yeah.
Okay. So what if you just sit down and do this thing, hands, stretching,
Yes.
yoga? Don't you think that's workout?
Yes. Yes. The stretching. Yes. Absolutely. Yes.
Do that.
Yeah.
You change that perception. We are not talking about, you thought that the weighting lift is only workout. Now give your
Hmm.
body that experience that yes, you can do workout and this is workout. Teach it.
Yes. Okay.
Whatever the time you are doing there, spend time here and do that.
Yeah.
Walk for 2 minutes, conscious walking for 10 minutes.
Yes.
All right.
Okay.
Walk speedily, then that will be a cardio.
Hmm.
All right. Move your hands,
Exactly.
fingers, then that's it. That is what the workout what we are talking about and why you are blaming your body.
True. True. I got it. Yeah.
All right.
That's okay. Yes. Yes.
Now, when you are entering an opportunity or when you are entering to a profession, that you need to have some core values that you need to define for yourself.
Exactly.
And that would be authenticity, respect, trust. You need to be vulnerable. You got to take massive action and you need to
Hmm.
focus on result orientation. That is what I want and expect from you.
Wow. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
That you should be authentic on what is everything going on and what is that happening. And when you go to the job, the same thing is applies there. And
Yes.
respect, self-respect, respecting to
Hmm.
teaching, respecting to our time and everything. Okay. Because you understand
Hmm.
the meaning of these words. So I really don't have to go deep and make you understand.
Yes. Yes. Yes.
Right,
Absolutely.
Nikita?
Yeah.
Now, if you want to grow,
Hmm.
you need to understand that you are not better than anybody else. Everyone is equal.
Exactly.
That
Yes.
ego thing will kick in. Okay.
True.
Anything that you learn, anything that you have, just don't keep it to yourself. Just keep giving.
Yes.
When
Yes.
you give, then you receive. That is the
Hmm.
universal law.
Yeah.
Can you live for 5 minutes just taking the oxygen and without not giving the carbon dioxide outside?
Impossible.
See how that is in already inside us, that you receive and you give back, receive and
Mhm.
give back. But
Correct.
when it comes to our life, we want to keep everything to ourselves.
Yeah.
So if you want to
Correct.
have a successful life, if you
Hmm.
want to have a happy life, you need to work
Hmm.
with the universal laws.
Correct.
What it says about cooperation.
Hmm.
Have you seen a forest or like a mountain? Have you been there ever? A waterfall?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
How ugly that is, right?
Yeah. I mean, the struggle to go up till there is like,
No, no, the view is so ugly, right?
no, the view is nice.
Oh, okay.
I'm like, why are you even saying this? Yeah, I know, because I remember we were in Pune and I was, trying to go up to a, hilly area and then up to
Oh,
the
you were
peak.
staying in Pune?
No, no, no. I just had been to Lonavala for a very small training, yoga
Mm-hmm.
training. And there is where, along with my other physical education, friends, they were all students, I believe, and I had just graduated. So we were all going for that, yoga training. And there was a Sunday and we all decided to go to that mountain thing.
Hmm.
And there is where, we happened to climb that whole thing. I remember rolling down twice or thrice and the whole path was so dirty. But after which, after we reached the, peak and then again got down to the other side, it was so beautiful. I mean, such a beautiful lake it was. So, the whole path was very troublesome, full of obstacles, but once you reached, it was so beautiful. So yes, yeah, it was beautiful, not ugly.
Why do you think there is a beauty in nature?
um, because nobody, it's very organic. I mean, it's all real. It's not artificial, I would rather say. It is as it is.
Because there is a cooperation, not competition,
Okay, yes.
right?
Hmm.
Why there is so much chaos in here in human world? You see now?
No coordination. Yeah. Correct. Yes.
So we got to give it back. Now you are getting a lot of pain and issues to health issues. What if you will able to share that with other people, that how they can recover that? Because when you recover and you share your stories, who knows, that may impact so many people.
Correct. Yes.
There might be so many female who might be going through such kind of problems, or with the shape of the body with a lot of tensions, and you are there, you are supporting them. See, I have been to a lot of bigger problem than you, and I solved it. And this is how you're going to do that.
Exactly. Yes.
Right? So anything that you learn a lesson, give it back. Help someone solve problems for themselves.
Yes. Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
And always be humble and seek help. Ask for help whenever you want.
Yeah.
Got it. Don't hesitate to ask anything else. Maybe it's a junior, senior, it's a beggar, or a sweeper, whoever it is. If you think something you worth admiring, or you want to learn something, how they are holding that broom, you definitely ask, how are you holding this?
Wow. Okay. That's very nice. Yeah.
We have never done that, right? But still, with such a big thing, they clean it like we'll not find any one damn dry leaf on the road. How do you do that? Can I do that once? It's an experience. What is life, Nikita? It's an experience, right?
Yes.
It's a gathering of experience, and one fine day we'll all dead.
Exactly. Oh my God, what happened?
Is all good with you?
Yes, yes. My screen is flickering. Press escape or double. 1 second. Yes, it's fine. It's fine.
It's fine now?
Yes, I happen to, yeah. The screen that you're sharing with me, I can't, it's in a very small.
All of a sudden it became smaller word.
Yeah.
Okay, let me stop sharing. I'll share once again. It is gone?
Yes, it's gone. Actually, I was just trying to remove, this, one pillow here. Oh, yes, it's perfectly fine. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
I was just trying to remove, this pillow below the laptop because I thought it might get hot, but no, it was not. So I kept it back again, and yeah, this happened. Okay. Sorry. Now I will.
So you seek help, try to understand things, value, you need to have some principles in life, all right? And if you want to grow in your life, you need to be happy with other success.
Yes.
As a human being, we always do not like. There is a feeling, kash mein wahan pe hota or hoti or whatever.
Yeah. Yes.
So you need to look at there, wow, how beautiful, you succeeded, good luck, I'm so happy for you. And that will give you energy to become successful, and people behind you will tell the same thing. Wow, exactly. Nikita, you are successful now. We are so happy for you. If you start crying, complaining, and envy all the time, what is that going to happen with you? The same thing.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So I am second. That is what my principles have been, Nikita, so far. Okay. Whether I would sleep on the floor, but I'll ensure people are sleeping on the bed. Same way it goes with the team as well. Wow, it's okay if I have to stand up, but I ensure these people are sitting. The final, they'll call me and have me sit on somebody's lap. That's a secondary story. But yeah, okay, I'm ensure that you guys are sitting properly and everything has been coming to you properly.
That's great, and that's a very kind, behavior. I would rather say, because everyone thinks about themselves. So
I believe in one principle, Nikita. If you help people get what they want, you will get what you want.
Yes. That's great. Okay.
Right? And all the time you have to go with the mind that I don't know everything. Do not have coming in your mind that I know everything. I don't know everything. How can I do it better? How can I get it?
Yes.
You need to have that open-ended question. Do not give your mind a question which shuts down with your answer.
Yeah.
I can't do this. Boom, finish. You're telling, hey, Nikita says she can't do it. That's it. Door close. If you say,
Okay.
how can I do it? Now instruction went inside, says, hey, Nikita wants some information. Give it back. All right?
Yeah.
So this should be your thought process. Got it?
Okay.
And now, with this would be the blueprint that you should be going through. This is where we are now.
Wow.
I'm trying to build you a rich mind.
Okay. Growth and abandoned mindset.
Then you will be working on a communication, then technologies, then sourcing, then calling, and how you are going to follow up and other things. And all together will make you a highly paid recruiter. Clear?
Wow. Okay. 6-step blueprint. Candidate interview. I'm so excited for all this because um, I really want to be the highly paid recruiter, and that whole mindset, about how you can become one. I was so excited to, even learn about it. So I'm so glad you sent me a book, because the moment I started to read it, I was like, wow, this is amazing, because you actually happen to put all the, I mean, using the pros and cons. So you happen to put all the cons of it. I mean, first that this is what can happen, this is what actually happens. But at the end of it, you happen to put across is how it can't happen.
Yeah.
And this is why this book is all about. And this whole thing about highlighting the booleans, and not a boolean such, people only go through the highlighted things. I was exactly doing that because I had no training. So
Yeah.
I'm like, hey, I think I did, for a very short time, I have seen people doing what, they were doing, and I was copying them. So even if, the person who's training you is, showing you a shortcut method, it doesn't work because, yeah, I know. So basically, I'm so excited to learn this from you right now.
And you are learning it.
Yes, yes, yes,
All right.
absolutely.
So
I'm very
now you go to the book and there is a savers there, right? Did you read savers?
Save. Which chapter was that?
It is,
Savers.
yeah. You look there, I have mentioned their savers. This is silence, affirmation, visualization, exercise, reading, and scribbling.
No, I haven't reached there. I'm still at 245 page.
Okay, that
I
could be
haven't.
somewhere there. Okay, you keep in mind
Ah,
there. So
yes, yes, definitely.
again, I'm going to teach you. That's not a problem. All right.
Yes, definitely.
All right. So yeah, if possible, go to Amazon and leave a good review there
I
for others
will.
to
I
understand.
definitely will.
All right.
Because when I was reading it, I was, running to my husband and telling, until now, what we have learned from them, we have to unlearn it. So,
Exactly. That is the reason I told you to come with your empty cup.
yes, thank you so much. Thank you.
I
Yeah.
hope you emptied your cup before coming here.
Yes, yes, I am trying my best. I'm still in a state of shock, that why did I even, get into it? But I'm very, very thankful to them because they introduced me about recruitment. So I'll be always very thankful.
My pleasure. My pleasure. And
Yeah.
now, so what do you understand by this image?
Mm, that a person has a lot of responsibilities and he's burdened by it, and that's how he takes his life forward. Is that so?
No.
Okay.
What stops a human being to go forward?
The luggage, the baggage, maybe, as you said, EMIs, bills, um, responsibilities of their kids, of their, yeah, of the personal things, and the competition, a lot of other things, a fear as well, if I leave this, then what next and how? Because I have seen a lot of people who, in case, wants to switch to another company, they're so scared because they gave interviews 8 years ago, 9 years ago, and they are like, oh my god, I have not given an interview for a very long time. I'm so scared as to how will I be able to manage now. And what if they ask where to go, because I've actually seen people in this situation. And yep, so I'm somebody who gives interview for fun, so for me it's still okay. But yeah, so this
You
is what
give
I
interview
feel.
for fun?
Hi, I mean, I like to know how the market is. So
See how many opportunities you might have screwed up so far.
yeah, many.
So they have your resume with them, okay? So next time there's an opening, they'll go to their database, they'll see you, and oh, this lady didn't take an opportunity at that time, they won't call you.
Not here.
So don't do that.
Yeah.
All right, don't play with the
Yeah.
recruiters, because this is a very small community. They'll tell other
No,
recruiters.
no. Yes, I understand, but this was in Singapore, because I wanted to see how the market was there.
No.
Because
As long as you are not hungry, don't open that biryani packet.
okay, fine, yep.
All right. So now you said everything's right, but this is our limiting belief which stops us.
Ah, okay.
It's a limiting belief that I cannot do that. I'm not
Okay.
good enough. I'm like this. I'm
Mm-hmm.
not born in a rich family. I do
Hmm.
not have any talent. That
Ah,
always stops us.
yeah.
And that belief leads to the other things, the reality of life. All right.
Hmm.
You see, this is what our belief. I can't tell the truth because I may get judged.
Okay.
I don't want to get close to this person lest my heart gets broken. I don't want to ask for what I want because what if I get rejected? See, what is that going to happen if you
Yeah.
reject it?
It's a fear actually.
How personally we take things. Just
Yeah.
because for not asking what is the harm that you are doing to yourself, have you ever imagined? No, we are
Hmm.
worried about rejection. I can
Exactly.
trust people because I have been betrayed before. So how judgmental people are?
Yeah.
You are betrayed, you are been betrayed because you believed people.
Yes.
That is your problem because of your that childish behavior or with immature thing, you've been betrayed. But what did you learn from there? That should be our thought process.
Hmm.
I can't
Right.
pursue my dreams because I don't know what I do, and if I fail, if you fail, what? See how big problem this is now.
Yes.
What if I go to for a bigger company interviews and I fail? Big deal.
Hmm.
You go to another company, give interview, simple as that.
Yeah, true,
Like,
true.
the gully mein dusri ladki aayi, that's it.
Yeah, exactly.
You have
Correct.
seen Munna Bhai, right?
Yes, exactly.
Simple, one gone and another will be ready. So why do worry about it? It's one damn life.
Hmm.
I
True.
can't do X because of Y. I can do workout because my body is not right.
Okay.
Right? I can do A because of B. Candidate won't answer the calls. Candidates are
Yes.
busy.
True.
Ever any candidate told you that I'm busy and I really don't take calls? The moment you might have called, that guy might have busy for that one moment.
Yes, exactly.
Do you think that the candidate guy will be running whole 24 hours on the road?
No, not at all.
No, right? He might be running to pick up something else and you called, he might be busy at that point of time.
Yeah, exactly.
How can you say that guy will be running all the day on the road?
True.
So you need to stop. Before you act or before you take anything for reality, Nikita, you got to stop and think, what is that really I'm thinking, or what is that thought just struck my mind?
Yeah, okay.
Shall I believe it? If I have to believe it, what are the data points? Because
Okay.
believing and rejecting is in your hand.
Yeah.
Thought is free. You are not paying taxes for that. So that's
Yes.
the reason it is keep on coming. And
True.
according to a research, Bruce Lipton, he is a senior neurologist in US, who says
Okay.
60 to 80,000 thoughts that a human being thinks in a day, consciously, unconsciously. 60,000 to 80,000 thoughts.
Oh,
Imagine.
okay. That's
Your
crazy.
imagination brings to your reality.
Okay.
What is that you're feeding to your imagination, and look at your reality? You will never be surprised because whatever you have imagined, that became your reality.
Right. Yeah. I
I'm not
understand.
feeling bad. I'm not able to work out. I'm not feeling bad. I'm not able to work out. Are you able to work out?
No, that way I can't, definitely.
See,
Hmm.
what if you told, it's okay, I can able to do it. I'm working out. I'm learning. I'm growing. My health is getting better. If this thing is going on in your mind for the next 1 week,
Yeah.
how your thoughts are going to change your real life, you have to do that. Okay? And when as we go down, you will understand more that this is what our limiting belief.
Okay.
I'm not good enough. I have to be perfect. What is perfect? Unless you do something, how can you learn perfection?
Exactly. Yeah.
No one likes me. I'm afraid. So have you ever used any of these before?
There's no. I have definitely. I have to be perfect is something I have always thought of, and I have to keep them happy is something I've thought of. I am angry, yes.
I
And
don't
it's
like
not
myself.
fair, yes. Yeah, at least 5 points I definitely have thought of it. Not now, but definitely, during the whole course, I have surely thought of at least 5 points is what I can be sure of. And
Now
this definitely comes out of insecurity.
you need
Okay,
to
wow.
see how it works. Okay.
Hmm.
You thought about something, okay, that
Yeah.
you are not good enough. And you thought it for so much of time that you started believing it.
Yes.
Because you believed it that you are not good enough, you have not given any representation in your office or in the crowd.
Yeah.
Because of that, you felt bad, and that is what became your reality.
Okay.
So you see how your thought, one thought, which you have been thinking since long time, become your reality. Once you see your reality, that there are 20 people and they asked you to give a presentation you did not do, and you are seeing yourself on that particular reality that, see, Nikita, I have an opportunity and I'm not able to do it. That reality has given more power to your thoughts even.
Yeah, exactly.
Then you started believing it once again. Then you see things are happening with you, and there you go. And this cycle goes on and on and on till people die.
Yeah, and this is so true. I think people think in a way and then they believe it. It and then you start believing that you're actually like that, and yeah, that is what you are later, correct.
What if you think that I'm healthy? I'm happy. My body is recovered. I'm whole and healthy.
Yeah.
You have to say that at least 10 times every day. I'm whole and healthy. My whole cell, nervous system, everything is perfect. I'm enjoying my life. My health is restored to perfect health now.
Yeah.
You have to say that to yourself. And the moment you say that, you are off your limiting beliefs.
Yes.
Are you getting my
I
point?
got it. Yep. This is such a reality. Thank you so much. It'll help a lot for sure.
Yes, you need to be watchful. All right.
Yeah.
Now, whatever you learn, you got to keep on writing, or you have to, after this call, you got to go and write it down because you will forget by tomorrow.
Yes. So can't I? I mean, is there a way I can't record this whole thing?
Yeah, recording things will people never watch. Don't worry.
No, 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 not like that.
Yeah.
No, not like that. I mean, is there a
Because
way that we
you
can?
will say that, hey, this is with me. So tell me, you take selfies and photos, right? Everything.
Huh?
When is the last time you sit down and looked at all the photos that you have taken so far? Tell me.
When I have to upload it.
No, after picking up the photos, did you come home and you look at all this?
No.
Because
It's
it is with you. What
yeah.
if whatever the photos you have taken will be deleted in 2 hours?
Okay, okay. I got
Will you
it.
look at it or not? You
The
want to,
after
whatever
yeah.
pics you take, if there is an option in your phone that if you do not choose the best one, everything will be removed.
Yes.
What will you do? You will have time to sit down and get the best one, right?
Yeah.
So that is what it is.
Okay.
I'll share the recording, no worries.
Thank you so much. Thank you. It will be very helpful. No, the reason behind is because when I was reading your book, I was in my room. I logged it. I logged it, and I was reading it aloud. Because for me to read something silently, what happens is I might happen. I might distract. Because of some thoughts. So when I'm reading it, I'm able to visualize that as if you are telling all these things, or that particular XYZ person is sharing their problems. So yeah, so I am somebody who is little difficult, with learning process. So I happen to create my own learning, and I love to read books. But again, as you said, I am more of a storyteller, storybook, person or a novel person. But self-help books, I have gotten Rhonda Byrne books. I have gotten The Secret, and I have gotten the Magic.
Yeah, Rhonda
Magic
Byrne,
book
right?
is, yes, I love her because she really believes in, affirmations. So I have this book right under my pillow. Every day I feel like reading it, but I cannot read it. But then when you sent me your book, I was waiting to read your book desperately. And the moment you send me your book, I'm like, I want to read it. I want to read it. But while I'm at my work, I tried so hard to read it, but my mind was just distracting because I have new trainees. So now I was trying to train them and I could not. So I'm like, nahi, isko to अच्छे से पढ़ना है. So that's how. And yes, I mean, it's a big inspiration. So my way of learning is very different. And I'm writing notes as well because I really want to learn, and inculcate this in my recruiting job. I definitely will get it as my confidence because I'm getting trained by the most influential person, and the person who's worked so hard for himself. And I also, like, told a couple of my family members that, my mother-in-law, she is my best friend.
Wow.
So I told her, that Amma, I'm now going to learn, about this whole recruitment thing, through this person. He's this experienced, is very famous. He has made, a mark, for himself, and I was giving examples, that your son can also, become like this. Though I'm not sure what his plans are, but I was just trying to give it an example that how you are a self-made person. So yes, I'm very proud, and I'm sure that tomorrow you will be proud of me too.
Absolutely. I would
Thank
definitely
you.
wait to see that day.
Thank you. Yeah.
Well, now you are out of your limiting beliefs, right? No more Nikita is old Nikita before starting this call.
No, not at all. Thanks a lot.
Now you need to understand this. You see this in my book as well. How we talk
Yes.
to ourselves, that impacts how we feel. How we feel affects how we behave. And how
Exactly.
we behave, it influences our results.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yes.
This is what you need to remember, what you are talking to yourself. The moment, if you are at this stage, okay, you are feeling sad, Nikita.
Yeah.
You just need to go to the up level. What I'm
Yes.
talking, what is that? The talk is going on in your my mind. Once you fix this, you will feel better. But people, what happens? They want to feel better. They'll involve in a different behavior, like movies, food. They go for vacation. They'll use alcohol, drugs, sex, so many things.
Yes.
But this is the next level. But you should go to the upper level to make this thing perfect.
Yeah. Have it talk
If
to
you are
yourself.
feeling bad, you need to think, to look at your mind, what is that going on inside that?
True.
If you are feeling bad, you should not go out and smoke. Are you getting my point?
Yes.
So this is what it is. If you are behaving weird, you are as if you don't want to wake up and you don't want to do anything, any of your work, or you don't want to, give people a smile, or you just want to lay down on the bed. Now this is behaving you are. Now you need to talk. How am I feeling now? I'm feeling happy or I'm feeling sad. I'm feeling negative or I'm feeling positive.
Correct.
If you are feeling negative, then you need
Hmm.
next question, what is that I'm thinking?
Yeah.
What is that I'm thinking so that I'm feeling like that? Then you will
Hmm.
get the answer. Then
Yes.
you will ask, okay, whatever the thinking, is it a reality or just an assumption?
Correct. Yeah.
It's a damn assumption.
It is an assumption. Yeah, because it's just a thought process. Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, yes.
So that is how the millionaires and billionaires are able to catch their thoughts.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes
Okay.
still I struggle to do that. It's a whole life. It needs whole life.
Yeah.
Because now you're at 34, right?
Yes.
You have been with your mind since last 34 years. How do you think you're gonna change in
Yes.
1 hour?
Yeah.
It knows you better than you know yourself.
Yes, exactly.
You have no idea how it fools you.
Hmm.
Okay? So you have to
Hmm.
be very much strategical and you need to be very much conscious all the time.
Yeah.
In
I
next
got it.
chapters, next calls, where I'm going to discuss how exactly your thoughts come in, how you're going to
Hmm.
hold it, how you can use your human brain and everything. Okay?
Yes, definitely.
I hope you don't like it.
Why?
Oh, okay, you like it, right? All right. I'm just checking whether your attention is there or not.
No, very much. I am in the best of the posture to even completely lean my head towards the laptop and listening to you, because for me, I have created my own process to learn.
So you,
I'm
you are a
very.
kinesthetic learner or
What does that mean? I'm
okay,
sorry.
there are few types of learners.
Huh?
People who listen and they
Huh?
learn,
Hmm.
people who read, look at things and they understand. There are people
Hmm.
who touch things and they want to feel it to learn.
Hmm. I'm the first and the last mixture. Yeah.
Okay, very good. Now
Yeah.
I understood your way of learning so that I'll module this course in that way. Okay.
That will be fantastic. Yeah, I'm more of a Tare Zameen Par kid for whom the words dance literally. So for me, I really have to create a own version, as you just said. It's
Awesome.
a mix of both.
All
Yeah,
right. So whenever you don't understand, stop me. Okay.
I will. Sure thing. Yeah.
All right. Now, how you talk, that influences your feeling. The way you feel, that influences your behavior, and your behavior has a direct responsibility to your results. If
Yes.
your results are not good enough, don't blame anybody else.
Hmm. Yep.
Look at how did you behave while working that task.
Hmm.
Look at
Yeah.
the feeling and then what you talk to yourself. If you want to change results, do not change your task, but change your thinking.
Yes. Okay.
And by default, it will change your results.
Okay. Yep.
Got it?
Yep. I got it.
The moment you want to have your husband to eat a beautiful food, it gives a good feeling. You by
Mm-hmm.
default search for good ingredients and the cooking will be good.
Exactly. Yes.
The moment you have decided, I'm not going to leave this guy today, that's it. And the result will be, better than me, right?
Yes.
So it's a
Yeah.
weird example, but I believe you're able to connect it.
Yes.
All
Yes.
right. Very good. How did this call go so far? Are you enjoying this? Are you learning new things?
Yes, I mean, I'm able to become more positive, and I'm able to become. I believe that I will
Is there
be.
an old Nikita is with you now?
No, I want to get rid of her. I think by the end of the 3 months that I'll be with you, not by the end of the 3 months. I believe you will always be my mentor, and this will continue forever. Because for anything, I will run and come to you to ask, Suman sir, please help me with this,
Hey,
or
you're gonna pay money, eh? See?
yeah, I will.
All right, let's go to the next thing. And
Okay.
this is what it is.
Okay.
Your beliefs.
Mm-hmm.
This is what you are altogether, Nikita. Okay. Well,
Okay.
how beliefs are made with the faith and conviction when you are in childhood, the way
Uh-huh.
you have raised, the way you have interpreted things. How did you believe that you are Nikita? People told you that, people called you with that name, right?
Yes.
Then you started believing that I am Nikita.
Exactly.
Are you getting my point? Now, when people scold that, hey, Nikita is a stupid lady, then you start crying.
Yeah.
Because you have connected your name to yourself.
Exactly.
Now, tomorrow your laptop, falls down on your lap and you start crying. Because that is my laptop. It is not you. It is your laptop. That is for you, but you are not for that. You need to understand that.
Yes, yes.
That is how your conviction made in.
Yeah.
Now with this, you prepared your own values.
Yes.
People with their faith, they believe they make their own values. There are people who feel that we need to respect animals. You see the values?
Yes.
There are people who do not care about the nature. You know what is happening with the animals and whatever the plants that we have, the forest.
Exactly. Yes, yes.
That is what it is. You cannot change people here. You cannot tell people do not eat cow. Because that has been starting from their faith and their conviction.
Exactly. Yes.
And with this, according to the values, your attitude takes birth. If you are raised in a good family who are very loyal, and they are more of a spiritual, your values will understand about this universe, God, faith, the energies and everything. Your attitude will be like that. If something happens to you, you don't worry.
True,
because you understood the true meaning of life. You have taken a birth for a reason.
Exactly. Yes, yes, yes.
And there are so many powers, there are so many things happened, meant together. That's the reason you are existing in the planet Earth. Just imagine your father and mother did not love on that day. Do you think you would have been born in this day?
No.
Imagine they both are not married. Do you think you are in here?
No.
Just billions of instances come together just to make this particular existence to reality.
Yeah.
Right? And just if something goes bad, we feel bad about it. Just to happen bad luck, there are so many things to come together.
Yes.
The way so many things need to come together to happen a good thing, the same way there are so many things need to happen together to happen this thing.
Exactly.
Imagine your friend has been to some place and the house is locked. Do you think this thing could have been happening today?
Oh no, not at all. And I'm so thankful and glad, that she gave me her bedroom and she's like, yeah.
Right? So my point here is, if your attitude is not good, your attitude is negative, your attitude is low, then you need to ask, what are my values?
Yeah.
What I really love, what is that I respect, what is that I live for? Then you need to go back and ask, why did this come in? Maybe your mother, maybe your father, maybe your society, maybe your grandmother, maybe your schooling, maybe your friends.
Yes.
Some influence, that is what is showing up as now. Now that comes through your behavior.
True.
The way you behave, that is comes to your actions. That is what we talk about. The way you behave, the way you talk, the you take action, and so many things. And when you see things are coming, and you start believing once again.
Yeah, exactly.
You see the cycle?
Yes.
If you see you can do this, you can do this.
Wow.
If you see you can't do it, you can't do it.
Yes, exactly.
That is up to you now, how you are going to take your life forward.
Yes.
Nobody is responsible, but only yourself. Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, yes. I am responsible for my life. Yeah.
If you're happy, you can able to share that with everyone else.
Yes.
But when you are sick, you are the one who have to take care of yourself. This weird universe, you can able to share your happiness with others, but you cannot able to share your pain with others.
True. Yeah.
If you have a beautiful house, you can celebrate that and everyone can able to feel it. Now you're going through your pain. Nobody else able to feel the pain that you're going through.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yes, yes, absolutely. I can relate with it very well. Yeah.
So you are the master of yourself.
Hmm.
You are the captain of your ship. Now it is up to
Yeah.
you. Now there are so many passengers on your ship.
Hmm.
Now there is a storm in the sea.
Hmm.
Now are you going to surrender, or you are going to help those passengers with your skills to go to a proper port? It is up to you now totally.
Yeah. The second one for sure. Yes.
The storm is not going to go down, but you need to depend and believe on your skills.
Hmm. Exactly. Yes.
Got it?
Yep.
This time the passengers might be scolding you, cursing you, and might be spitting at you. But there will time come when they'll
Hmm.
hug you, they'll kiss you, and they'll love you.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
It's just a matter of time, and you have to
Hmm.
believe on yourself.
Yes.
What are
Okay.
your current limiting beliefs? You got to identify that, because you think that you learned everything. It is your mind is playing game with you. You need to understand that,
Okay.
because you are learning from your brain,
Yeah.
your prefrontal cortex, which is logical brain,
Yeah.
which is telling you that, hey, Nikita, you understood everything. The moment you
Hmm.
sleep, your old
Hmm.
brain gonna take off.
Yeah.
So before that, you need to use your logical brain to understand what is my limiting beliefs. For example, about your money,
Hmm. Yeah.
about your health, about your relationship, about your profession.
Yes.
All right, I cannot earn more. I cannot make a lot of money.
Hmm.
I cannot get paid more. I
Hmm.
don't
Yeah.
have good health.
Yes.
My body never supports my health.
Yeah.
My relationship is not good. My husband is like that. My mother is like that. My sister is like that. My profession
Hmm.
sucks. I'm not able to get good job. I'm
Hmm.
always, I don't love my work or anything that sort. Anything that is
Yeah.
not positive, that is a negative. The negative
Yeah.
is limiting belief. Okay.
Yes.
Then what you have to do is you need to, once you identify your limiting beliefs, this is your exercise, Nikita,
Okay.
for
What
money,
meant
health, relationship, and profession.
the list is right down. One sec.
I hope you're not taking a snap from your mobile, right?
No, I can't because there is no power
Okay,
at
no,
my
it's okay. Don't do
device.
that. Just write it down.
No, no, I'm writing it down. I have a proper notes here
Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Now,
because I
then you
won't
need
look
to
at my phone again.
ask 5 to 10 questions if possible about what is that limiting belief you have. Okay.
Yeah.
Once you have,
No, no, no. Please, please go back. Go back.
okay.
Actually, there's no table here, so I had happened to what kept pillows over here.
What is that?
There's no table in this room here, so I have happened to kept three pillows to have a table-like structure, and now I'm writing.
Okay. Have you done?
No, 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 no. Just three more things. I will never look at my mobile if I happen to record anything there, or write there. So
Good.
that's why I requested you, please. I want you to help me with the recording of this session because I have so many memorable things in my phone, but I can't look at it. It's very
The
tiresome
same
for
way it
me.
is going to happen. You will have this memorable thing and you will never look at it.
Yeah. Yeah. About money, about health. Okay, so you want me to list out my top.
Limiting beliefs, top 5 limiting beliefs, that what you feel about it.
Hmm.
Okay. Now, how did that impact that particular area? For example, I'm not feeling good enough. My health is not good. Now you have to look back at your health. Is your health is good? No.
Hmm.
Are you getting my point? I
Yep.
always fall sick.
Yeah.
Again, you go back, look, you are sick. So it is not that because you are sick, you are thinking like that.
Yes.
Because somewhere in your mind that thing was there and that became reality now.
Yes.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah.
So now you need to change
Right.
that.
Yes. That's
For
right.
example, this one, if you say money is evil, money won't, come from tree or, paisa paid mein nahi ugta hai sort of thing.
Yeah.
Now look at your financial status.
What is the current result? Money favors your current financial status. I'm very happy. I'm very
For
happy.
you,
Yeah, money is evil, sir. I will tell you why. Because for the very less amount that I make right now, and for the dreams he showed me of having, earning 5 to 10 lakhs a month, trust me, for the amount that he's told us, we were in super threat. I'm like, oh my God. So jitna paisa, utna tension was the whole thing that we had. So we are like, we
see,
don't
that
want
is
to
just
earn.
limiting belief, okay?
Yeah.
So
Ah,
do you want
okay.
to cry on a cycle or do you want to cry in a Mercedes? Which one is good for you?
Yeah, the second is much better.
Then,
Yes. I mean,
no?
yes, see, you should earn money. You should be happy with that money. But that money should not come at a, you know, uh, come with a price that you are completely ruining your peace of mind. You're
And you
completely,
and you are telling these stories because you heard somewhere or maybe you have seen someone
I've
or
experienced
your
it.
just mind is playing game with you, but you cannot show me one example of
Huh?
Ambani's, Tata's,
Hmm.
Elon Musk, Jeff Bezos.
Hmm.
They are earning so much of money and you are
Hmm.
thinking that earning it back. If you do not earn money, Nikita, how you are going to help people around you? Tell me.
Nini, what you're saying is right, and what I'm referring to is, if I'm earning money at the stake of keeping my mind not at peace, because it also depends a lot that how you are, when you are actually, uh, what is the state of
Absolutely.
mind, when
Exactly.
you're working with such people. Because I choose my friends, I don't make friends, I mean, I have so many acquaintances, I greet people with great excitement, enthusiasm, and they love me, but
So
I'm
here,
only
what you got to
acquaintance.
do is sit
Uh-huh.
down and focus. How much money do you want?
Okay,
2
that's
lakhs is
something I
enough for
can.
you per month.
Yup, it's more
Are
than
you happy
enough.
with that? You can able to meet your expenses and you can save money.
Yeah, I can save a lot.
Simple as that. Now
Yep.
love that amount. Why do you want
Yes.
20 lakhs and extra headache?
Yeah, exactly, that's what I meant. I'm like, ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. I need enough, for us
नहीं
to.
ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, अगर आएगा तो लोगे नहीं लोगे?
ऑफ कोर्स लेंगे, लेकिन
Then
वो
open that
उसके साथ वो
open that
टेंशन
door.
नहीं चाहिए.
Open that
ओके
door.
फाइन. ओके.
You want 10 lakhs per month and you want to be happy.
Yes, sir. I'll give you a small example. If you are, if for example you're in a business, and your business partner has to talk continuously, rant about something, you will be like, hey भगवान, इतने इतना इरिटेटिंग पार्टनर है, मुझे इसके साथ काम नहीं करना है.
Yeah.
कम पैसे मिले चलेगा, लेकिन मेरे को जो मेरा 10 hours से वर्क का, if I'm with him, I think I'll really go mad. 1 day, 2 day, 3 day, but the whole 20 days or 25 days that you're working with him, it just spoils everything for you. I mean, the whole
Exactly.
ideology, goes. So that is the only thing that I have right now. Otherwise,
Which
I'm
one?
all
Your
about.
job you're talking about?
Huh.
Your
Yeah, tell me.
job? Your job?
No, 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 no. My job is fine. It's only micromanagement. I'm just talking about the little phase, that we had 2 months of, this what we had,
Hmm.
and that is something I am still in shock, because
Yeah.
I was unable to sleep
Your
for
cousin Swiggy you
almost.
are talking about?
Yep, yep.
Hmm.
He's putting statuses right now. I'm like, Anna, why do you have to do this?
What did he say?
He's putting status right now stating that people lose a diamond when they are searching for this, something like this is putting. Though we told him very clearly that we will come back to you. It is just that we want to learn, everything. So right now he is in a very bad state of mind, but it's okay. We respect him. We love him because
That's
he's the one.
you cannot help people who really want to screw up themselves. So
Think and rant, yeah. So yeah, but yeah, somewhere I really loved myself for taking for taking a decision and not being in a state of mind कि formality के लिए अच्छा ठीक है वो बुरा मान जाएंगे नहीं कर लेते हैं नहीं अभी if I am not sure about something I can't go for it. For you, because when I was discussing with you on this course, I kept on thinking about it. करना है नहीं करना है करना है नहीं करना है फिर I thought करना है because I will learn a lot of skills about life. About it's a life coaching. I will learn management skills. I will learn how my mind, is supposed to sorry, how my mind is supposed to react to things, and what my thought process has to be. Once again, I'll just get some water. Sorry. Yeah. So, and I spoke to my father, and he's like, "Beta, tu zarur se kar, kyunki this will help you. This will help you so much that you will become a different person." So, I'm talking to people who can help me. My father, my husband, my mother-in-law, they're somebody who has literally been, helping me to, say that, you can do it. So yes. That was something in me.
Now you got to tell yourself.
Sorry.
All right. You got to tell yourself that you can do it.
Yeah, I definitely will, and I can. Okay. This is great.
All right. So now, congratulations. You are ahead of millions of people out there.
Thank you so much.
You're going to change your life, right? Because you believed in it. And you look back an hour before, you are no more the same Nikita what was there, joined the call.
Yeah. Yes, for sure.
Okay, because this time each thought comes to your mind, you are going to evaluate that.
Yeah.
This time, the way you feel each time, you're going to stop and you're going to ask yourself why I'm feeling like this.
Correct.
Okay. So the more you are present with your life, the time, the more you are going to live your actual real life.
Correct.
Okay. And the time you are present, you will have no thoughts other than positive thoughts. The moment you think of your past and future, your brain comes in, your mind comes in and gives you stories.
Yes,
the lot of regrets. You are listening a story, and the moment you see there is a movie going in your mind, Nikita, be attentive and focus that your mind has taken over it. Okay.
Yeah.
Because since we are talking, there is no mind available here now. You are just listening to me and you're thinking and we're talking.
Yeah, true.
The moment you shut down, there is some kind of chatter will go inside your mind.
Definitely, yes.
So you need to monitor that. Got it?
Okay.
So now you got to write it down. What are the negative beliefs? What are the limiting beliefs you have? And look at that, how it is, and change that to a positive one.
Okay.
I'm always sick. I have a healthy body. I'm not able to make more money. I'm earning a lot of money. What is more and what is less? It is a comparison that happens in the mind. You might have compared that amount with somebody else. Did you ever look at the earnings of a beggar on the sweeper on the road?
I think they earn quite a good amount.
Are you earning more or are you earning less than a sweeper?
Of course I'm earning more, yes.
Then where is the point in talking about I'm earning less? Only the comparison.
Yeah.
Are you getting my point?
Yeah, okay.
Compare positively and keep it.
Okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
Any questions?
Questions? Nope. I believe I have learned something which I always wanted to inculcate in my regular daily life. At the same time, I have learned, like maybe I'm in a learning process of becoming a very positive person, where I'm not going to sulk about what just happened yesterday or
Yes.
what is going to happen tomorrow, but I'm going to work on it and just let it go and do something to make it better. And yeah, I mean, it's more about positivity. po- yeah, it's being about more positive and having an affirmation that I am good, I will be doing good, and I will be able to do.
There is no will.
Yeah.
Either you're doing it or you're not doing it. Do not use the
Exactly.
word. Do not use the words try or will.
Acha, okay. No, no using of try.
Either
I
you're
have
doing
to
it or
write.
not doing it. Simple as that.
Okay. I am going to write this.
Okay. Awesome. So this is the end of today's call, and
Great.
whatever you have learned, note it
Yeah.
down and send me everything in a chart. Okay?
Okay, done.
Sit
Sure.
down. We have spoken more than an hour. Sit down, and from the beginning to the end, whatever you have learned, I want you to note
Yeah.
it down, write it down on the paper, take a photo, and send it to me.
Okay, done. Fine. I will send it to you. Do I also have an exercise for the until the next session?
Yes, you have to. This is the learning that you need to implement in the next 5 days. You have got to monitor your thoughts. You got to
Okay.
look at how you are thinking, and you have
Okay.
to read the book that has been given to you, right? Then find the savers
Yes.
there.
Hmm.
Okay, then you need to, every day morning you need to sit silence, and you need to affirm about the positivity of yourself. What do you want? I'm
Okay.
in a good health, I'm making a lot of money, I'm happy, I'm getting a lot of respect, I'm getting a lot of love.
Okay. Wonderful.
I'm going to New Zealand with my husband, I'm with my extremely fit body. Now you're going to visualize that. All right, that is the exercise. After you wake up, do that. Silence is like
Hmm.
breathe in, breathe out. That silence I have explained there. A for affirmations.
I want to write this down. One second, please.
Sorry?
I want to write this down.
No, that is in the book. Look at,
Okay.
I have
Yeah.
explained it properly. Okay, no worries.
Okay. Okay.
Then you need to do that. Exercise also involved, and check
Hmm.
it up every day. Okay, this is your
Okay.
task and exercise for the next 5 days.
Perfect. Sure. Thank you so much. I will send you the whole
The
summary of
learnings.
what I have learned.
Yes.
Yes, from today's lesson, and I will write it in my book.
And
I
where
have
you are going
written it,
to
but if
use
I
it.
send it, sorry.
And where you are going to use it. Okay.
Yes. Yes. Definitely.
Hmm.
I'll send it to you by the end of the day, or do I send it to you in the next 1 hour?
Within 24 hours.
Okay, fine. I have written it. If
Don't
I
sit and do that tomorrow at 1 o'clock.
Okay, fine. Yeah, I will do it right now because it will
Because
be
it will
best,
it will just fly. It will just go over if you don't note it down now.
Yes, I have noted quite a bit, but it's in a very funny writing in language. So
Yes.
if I send it to you,
Beautify it. Okay.
yes. Thank you so much for your time, sir. And literally for you to come to this session at this time, this, being a Sunday, really appreciated because you just happen to somehow uh, get your schedule into mine for today.
Yeah.
I'm sorry, but next
Things
time I
messed
will
up,
not
but
repeat.
yes, finally we caught up. You learned something new, and I'm happy
Yes,
for that.
yes. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your
Take care.
time. I'm
Take
really privileged.
care. No problem. God bless, Nikita. Take care.
Thank you. Thank you so much. You
You.
have a good Sunday.
Oh, definitely. I do wish you the same.
Thanks a lot.
Bye
Take
bye.
care. Bye bye.